Greetings and salutations from central Louisiana, just a few miles west of Dry Prong. Today I'm going to look at something that one of the church members gave me to piddle with. Same as one of his family heirlooms. Came from his grandfather, I believe it is, or great-grandfather, so here we go. And let there be light. The only structural problems I see is on this corner here is cracked up and around like it's had a little bit of abuse. I think I can get somebody to braze that for me. We'll grind it down, but I figure this will be not a super difficult task, but to clean it up and look at the cable, and I'll get a new hook on it. Probably paint it up like I did the Fairbanks Morris pump jack with a dark green. If I can find any manufacturing lettering on it, I will highlight that. Kudos and thank yous goes out to David Jewell for this. We'll see how it works out. It is in line. Of course, right now the tractor's ahead of it, so we're going to have to work on that, but this won't be a super hard project. Ha ha ha. That's what I always say, and then I end up doing all sorts of other weird things. So anyway, there it is. Maybe we'll get to it here before too long.